Hi, and welcome to Another Geek Moment. Today we'd like to feature 3M's VHB, or Very High Bond, dual-sided adhesive products. We have a couple demos set up to show you some of its attributes, but remember, safety first.
Now I'd like to show you just how easy it is to use VHB by assembling these two sheets of aluminum. First thing we need to do is clean both of them with a mixture of 50% isopropyl alcohol and 50% water, which can be found in most stores. Now that those are both prepped, we need to adhere our tape to this. We'll roll that pressure. Now our second chunk of VHB. Got that. We'll roll that out. Now I just take the backing off here. Now we'll put the top plate on. Roll pressure on both pieces of VHB under there. Now we're complete. After 20 minutes, this will be 50% adhered. After 1 day, it'll be 90%. After 3 days, 100% adhesion.
Here you can see there's a significant time savings when using 3M's VHB over standard rivets for assembly.
So here we have the two panels we assembled earlier, one with strips of VHB, the other with rivets. Before we move on to the testing, I'd like to mention that the VHB not only provides a very strong bond, but the continuous strips give you a watertight and an airtight seal, as opposed to the rivets, which provide neither. And finally, there is some sound dampening attributes to the VHB. You can see when I shake this panel, there's no sound, as opposed to the panel with the rivets, where you can hear the rattling when it's shaken. Next, we'd like to move on to some dynamic testing of these. In conclusion of our dynamic load test, we've discovered that the 3M VHB can withstand 3 times the number of strikes with 1/4 of the assembly time when compared to the rivets, providing a quick and durable bonding solution.
As I mentioned, VHB is great at handling dynamic loads. We decided to test it under a static load condition as well. While filming this portion of the video, I've been suspended by the plates I assembled earlier. The VHB has been enough to suspend my 250 pounds of body weight. Next time you need adhesives in your product, think of 3M's VHB. Thanks for watching.
All right, let me get some blood back to my legs.